Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of -2.33% since we initially recommended it as hold or accumulate. This amounts to an average loss of -1.16% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, signaling further increases ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 19.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.48% to 46.88%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 33.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 11.88% to 253.87% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $11.73 and $37.09. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for SoundHound AI Incorporated, as stock downgraded to hold accumulate." The stock price of SoundHound AI Incorporated decreased by 2.33% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, dropping from $10.73 to $10.48. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.32%, ranging from a low of $9.90 to a high of $10.52. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a gain of 7.82%. Notably, trading volume also declined on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator since volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, trading volume fell by 23 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $421.42 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.86. Currently, the stock price is 58.05%, or $14.50, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is making headlines today due to its strategic advantage as restaurants increasingly turn to artificial intelligence to enhance customer service operations. This shift is expected to drive demand for SoundHound's AI solutions, which extend beyond food ordering to include table reservations and prepaid parking services. The growing interest in AI from restaurant operators positions SoundHound for potential revenue growth, especially in the short term. Today, SOUN's stock surged by over 9%, attributed to above-average trading volumes and positive market sentiment. This bullish momentum suggests strong buying activity, which could lead to continued upward price pressure in the near term. However, recent earnings estimate revisions do not indicate sustained strength, prompting investors to remain cautious about long-term profitability. As Wall Street rallies into the summer, SOUN's performance could benefit from broader market trends that favor technology and AI stocks. Increased attention from analysts may also play a role in influencing investor perception and decision-making, further affecting stock price dynamics. The current enthusiasm around AI-driven technologies could create favorable conditions for longer-term growth, provided that SoundHound can effectively capitalize on these market opportunities. Investors should keep a watchful eye on how the company navigates this pivotal moment as it seeks to solidify its place in the evolving landscape of AI solutions. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright again assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was recorded that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a generally positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a prevailing sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of price corrections downward, support is expected around the levels of $9.98 and $10.10. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. That said, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.88%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as typically, volume trends should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 33 days ago. Ollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. A long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.11. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 625 of a dollar, representing a change of 6.32%. In the last week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 7.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies may go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 6 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.73. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $10.11. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On 2025-06-24, Sroka Diana conducted an insider sell of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On 2025-06-20, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider buy of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On 2025-06-20, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider sell of 1,270 shares of Class A common stock. On 2025-06-20, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider sell of 1,366 shares of Class A common stock. On 2025-06-20, Imami Majid conducted an insider buy of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.667. Overall, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.87, reflecting a decrease of 5.84%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 32 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the present level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate status. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we anticipate SoundHound AI to open lower by 1/82 dollar, starting trading at $10.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.